Alright, so I guess we can use this kind of as like a tutorial, but take it with a grain of salt, because it's a shit box and I don't give a fuck. Either way, we disconnected the battery, which is actually dead anyway, and then we started taking apart some stuff back here. I sold my toolbox and put it into my computer for editing, so that's my toolbox. A+, right? So, we started disconnecting the main power and speakers. We're going to take this thing out of here and somehow get this big ass box out of here and start kind of taking out some wiring and some other crap in the back seat and put it up for sale. So you guys can follow along and hang out. Naturally, I forgot that there's just like absolute trash, like LEDs in here with Velcro all over them. Oh man. So we're gonna get all this garbage out of here. Over there. We gotta get all the wires out from the underneath. Oh my god, look at all the little copper stuff. Oh, I forgot that there's actually shit plugged into the other end. Imagine that. I keep this little cardboard here because it lights up the back of this white headliner like there's a cop behind me because it's blue. It's fun. There, get that out of there. I'm going to be replacing all these RCAs, so I don't really care much about them. This is bolted down, so we can just kind of go like that. Ugh. We're going to put it right on top of the old John Deere over here. Bam, that's out. On to the shit show here. Look at this. So I don't know why I decided to like zip tie and get all this junk in here. These LEDs are absolute trash and they won't even come out. So, I guess we'll get the box out of here next. If I can get it out. Oh my god, dude, there's so much shit in here. Get this all out of the way. And we're gonna try to get this box out of here. Boop. You know, maybe we put the phone right there. Sure. This is almost a fucking two-man job. Oh my god. I forgot how heavy this thing is. I'm gonna blow out my butthole. Holy shit. Try not to hit the speakers. And we're just gonna go like that. Oh my god, what's it hooked to? Oh, god, I'm terrible at this shit. Oh. I can tell you this. This thing probably weighs 200 fucking pounds, I swear to god. It seems so damn heavy. Woo, there she is. And look, we got an actual whole, like, trunk in here. This is gonna be sick with the back seat all gone and everything. So to be reasonable here, we got this out. I have really nowhere to put this. I guess I'm gonna grab, like, one of these yellow lids. I'm gonna grab one of these yellow lids and, kind of set it on top of it over, like, there somewhere for now. And, see where we get. Oh, don't fall, Rake. I don't know what I'm fucking doing anymore. I'm gonna put her right there on top of the lid, maybe. That's kind of in the way of the door, though. God, dude, I need more room. We'll just put it right there for now. How are we gonna move it? I do have an appliance dolly. I think I'm just gonna carry it, to be honest. Fuck it. Ugh. Oh my god! It's so big! There she is. That's fine, right? It'll be okay. So next we're gonna take out all this wiring and shit and move it out of the way. Probably just cut most of it, to be honest. Oh my god, the light. Probably just cut most of this wiring and shit. Cause I don't really need it. I'm gonna replace it. How about broke my fucking ass, dude. And then we're gonna take the back seat out. So we're gonna have to cut a lot of these freaking zip ties and shit right here, and kind of see where this wiring even goes. Okay, so this one we probably need because it's the base knob from the front. It's all tangled up, man. I'll be back. Okay, so we had to take out this back panel. I forgot that it was even a tire in here, but we're probably going to use this spot and take this tire out of here. It's not even held down. You can see all the junk we already took out. This is going to be the spot that we need to make into a battery, slash amps, slash everything. All that shit's going to go into this freaking tire well. It doesn't leak. We're going to probably cut off this knob right here and make a little wooden floor for it and bolt it down and everything, so that way we can mount battery trays and the amps and everything right here. Now, here's the shitty part. I cut this all up and because I mounted a bunch of stuff in here, and then I changed my mind. I did something different. So I need to take all this out. I need to go to the junkyard one day and find a new panel. Pretty much all the GTIs, Golfs, and everything are the same. Same over here. I think I might be able to save this one. But this one's also, see, a little janky. Oh yeah, and I did cut it because I wired into my cigarette lighter back here for a LED strip. There's a Bluetooth controller back here. We need to get all this junk out of here. You know what I mean? Like, just junk. Exhibit A. I don't know why I even ever hooked any of this shit up. I was trying to be the cool guy. I cut corners with the car, and I mean in every sense of that word, I guess. You know, I cut some corners and I installed shit that I shouldn't install. You know, that's in the past. We're doing this shit right this time. So I'm gonna try to keep this video about 10 minutes. But I'm gonna try to post it at least once a week or twice a week on the channel for the car. But yeah, let's keep going. Whew. Alright, so we had to get some tools. Mainly some Torx. We already got the... Oh, I covered it up with a door. We already got the seat cushions out. Need a good cleaning, some conditioning. There's no rips, tears, nothing. Just a little bit of wear right here. So somebody will pick this rear seat up for, you know, a good $100 or something. That stuff, I gotta figure out how to take that middle clamp off and the side clamps, which is why we're trying to take out these pieces right here. This one's trash anyway. And so is this one, so I'm gonna have to get new stuff for all that anyways. And while all this is out, we're gonna be getting some sound deadening material as well. Let me just climb in here. Ugh. We're gonna be getting some sound deadening for this car as well. And we're gonna pretty much do the entire car. Or at least this whole like trunk section. It just makes everything a little better. So we're going to take out these little cargo hook deals and take out the back seat here eventually. Alright, we got this piece. Okay, see if we can get a better look at how this is even held in there. I feel like I just need to move that little latch. God, there's so much just junk in here. It's nice not having to care about it. Oh, finger in the way. Okay. Look at that. Try to move the little latch. That's my backup camera. I don't want to break that. Try to move the little latch out of the way. Oh, look at that. We got her, boys. And gals, I guess. Ugh. So now this is still stuck. Oh my god. Okay, so apparently it just shoves into this little notch right here, which we're gonna cut off anyway. So I just broke the fuck out of the plastic. But she's out. Let's go. Oh, kind of dark right there. We'll get this little seat out, and then dig out the other one. Like that. It's really hard to do with one hand. Nowhere to hold on to. Oh, there we go. Got her. Got her out. Woo! Let's go around to the front and grab them. Holy shit. Never thought I'd see it. Oh. Junk. Whew. And then we'll line them up, take pictures of them. Oh my god, that was kind of heavy. Way to break out the old Big Bertha here. To get these seatbelt bolts out. Why? Why is it always a problem? There we go. So I forgot that the middle seatbelt is attached to the car, but it goes into the back of the seat. I'll show you guys. Right here. Right there. So you can't really remove the seat without yeah, taking that out. So there we go. We'll just kind of pile that seatbelt stuff there. We'll get this seat out. Yeah, and get her laid out. All right. So, rear seat delete, baby. All done. She's ready for a platform. Make it all even. Cut some brackets out. Right there. I think we're gonna keep these accessible somehow, along with these with the seat latched in. That way we are able to have a like tie down area. So if we want to strap something to the side here, we can do that. We're gonna have a cover that has hinges that flips up right here over the top of the tire well, so we can access the amps and the battery and everything once they go there. But for now, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next shit show episode of How to Build a Shit Box. See ya.